guys, it's Christmas Eve. We're building a ginger house and we're doing a competition.
Of course, I will win.
Okay, if it breaks, done.
Oh, whoa.
Why?
That's not fair.
Go get your glue. Go get your glue.
Ay, kuha ka nga. Kuha ka ng kanin. Pang-glue. So we got, I don't know what are this, see? There's something truly magical about decorating gingerbread cookies, spreading icing, and sprinkles with the light. So we got these ones to decorate and to build.
No, just
No,
to the toilet.
no, it's so tough. Wait, oh my god. Santa's reindeer broke our roof.
Literally.
It's too
Ano yun? Ano na yung story?
Skibidi toilet.
Reindeer broke our roof.
Kasi makatayin. Ilagay mo na lang lahat siya. My gosh, guys, we need to vacuum after.
That's banana.
Okay guys, this is our
Good. Thank you.
gingerbread. If it's Santa's hiding. Come on. You're so annoying! You made ours!
That one too. That one too. 2,000.
Yeah?
Infinite.
Infinite.
Yeah, just like that.
Yep.
That's after. I'll show you guys the picture before.
Can I see that one?
Dang! Old house. There are roots.
They're growing. Let's not forget the coffee though. There's some mold going on. Mold's going on in their house.
Pwede pala ganito. Hindi ko alam ko lang eh.
You gotta be creative. You gotta watch out.
Okay.
Okay guys, the judge is over there. Oh, one judge. One of the judges.
Okay. Who's number two?
Who's number two? Oh, wow. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Kasi na ano.
Sino pangalawa? Who's next winner?
Wait, what?
Hold on. Let me see. Pangalawa. Last judge. Okay.
Based on creativity and uniqueness.
Sinong first mo? sa'yo lang. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Where's the money?
There's no money.
Are you serious?
Did you even do anything?
Christmas movies, guys. Let's go.
I opened it from the box. Milov, did you do something? Chichi, did you do anything there? Did he help you? I got 50 pesos.
I'll take it. Third place.
I got 50 pesos in my pocket.
Are we throwing it away?
Oh, 95 pesos.
Are we throwing it away?
I have more than that in my other pocket. Look.
I don't have money anymore.
Throw it away.
Yeah, here.
What does last place get?
Oh, they get a kiss on the
Now you
cheek.
have to jump in the pool punishment.
We're
Okay, we're
second.
watching Christmas movies and you guys
Oh,
are
Mom,
not
let's do
invited.
me.
Okay, guys, we're pulling up a prank for the raffle tomorrow, Christmas Day. So, I'm gonna wrap a gift that's, looks like, well, I'm gonna show you here what I'm copying. So, we bought this one earlier at Metro House. We're here in San Fernando. So I'm copying that, and then I'll show you what I have. I have the pump for what do you call this? For the toilet, and then a chopping board. So it will look like a this is gonna be the screen. That's for the screen. So it will look like probably like this. Look. So it will look like so that's gonna be part of the raffle. We also got some excited for all of the guests and the employees. So we have, I think, 3 massagers, 2 speakers, one the handy fan, and then 1 perfume for women, and then 1 perfume for men, and then some belt bags or body bags. What else? And then we're gonna give out cash too, and 3 50 kilos, I think, of rice. And of course, don't forget about this one. So I'm gonna wrap this. I'll show you. I don't even know how to wrap it, but whatever. And I'm just gonna do it as the picture looks like. So guys, it should look like this, like a screen monitor. Good luck to the winner. Well, I spent how much on this one? Wag kayo. I spent a lot. Good morning, guys! Merry Christmas! I know today is a special day because it's his birthday. It's Papa Jesus' birthday. So this is his day. So we're gonna celebrate it today by, giving. So we are having a Christmas party with everyone, the family, the employees, friends, and of course the kiddos. So we're excited. We're excited to give out their gifts and to celebrate for the real reason why we celebrate Christmas. It is him. We are setting up the venue outside. So we're setting up the tables. We're not really decorating, but we are trying to decorate for it's a last minute decoration. So I'm having Maurice and Aming to do that. So last minute lang. I wasn't gonna decorate, but I saw the balloons downstairs, but it wasn't enough, so they're buying more, or I think we will see. You will just see it later when we take a video. Anyways, It's gonna be a long day. I did not cook today, but I think I want to cook the salmon. We will see if I have time. And what else? Sorry, I'm walking because I'm multitasking. I'm charging my vlogging camera because I'm gonna need it later. I need to charge this. The problem with this is it gets hot really, really quick. Like when we used it at Baclocan. We have some raffles. Oh, I already told you guys, I think. It's on the previous vlog. We also have Secret Santas, and what we're giving out the employees of We Support something, you know, just a little token. I don't have any material gift for, that's a material. No, I mean the real gift, because a box gift for our employees at home, because I gave them their 13th month pay. I think that's better for them too. Plus, they're gonna join the raffle later. So we will take you guys with us. I'm gonna get ready later. I'm gonna shower and then get ready because our party is at 3 and it's already 11 something. So I know I'm recording it late. I'm vlogging late. I should have vlogged earlier. Hopefully I don't forget to vlog later because I think I'm gonna be the host for the games because I cannot do my editor and photographer or videographer because they're gonna join the games too. I'm gonna have them join so they can enjoy because last year they didn't, and of course I want them to win some prizes too. So yeah, we will take you guys with us. Alright guys, I just got done showering. I just needed to do this one real quick for 20 minutes just to get a Christmas glow. Okay guys, we are getting ready. I'm gonna do my light makeup, the usual everyday makeup. I don't wanna do too much because it's gonna get hot later outside. So just gonna do the usual. I'll show you guys later na lang after. Kasi natamad na ako. Anyways, need to iron my hair pa, but I know it will get ruined later anyways kasi papawisan na. Mapapawisan. So, yeah, we are starting at 3 o'clock and it's already 2:30 I think. And, well, so we're gonna start the games. Of course, prayer first, and then games, and then eating. So, I'm not gonna do too much. So, I'm just doing the sunscreen first with tint. Probably okay. Is it be okay? Yeah, be okay. Just that. My neck, of course. Don't forget the neck. Always put sunscreen on your neck. And then I just blend it with my fingers. I wasn't gonna about this makeup. But so I'm just wearing red. Today, me and the girls, I'll just change here. See, I did my light, hair, light for my face. And there are marks on my face. See those marks from that. Anyways, so I'll see you guys later. I'll just finish it. So guys, this is my final look lang. Simple lang. So as you all know, I always wear perfume anywhere I go. So this is a special day, of course. It should be a special perfume too. I'll show you. This is from my sister and her girlfriend. So I have they have gifted me this perfume. I've seen this one before, and I was curious. Of the set, so I was like, I messaged my sister and told her to get it for me. I was gonna get it online anyways, but I was like, oh, maybe somewhere has a cheaper, but like there's a promo or freebies. So she got this one for me instead of me paying it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do my hair now. So I'll show you guys. So I got this one. See that Dolce and Gabbana. So they got me this one, the Dolce and Gabbana. So I'm gonna use the big one, of course. I'm gonna use the big one. This is a nice one. I haven't smelled this, but it smells like marshmallow. Okay, I'm gonna wear them. Hold on. So, smells like marshmallow or vanilla. So that's the perfume. So it's gonna be all over my body. So this is my Christmas set. So I'll see you guys later. Guys, I'll just show you my outfit. My closet is a little messy. So we are wearing red. The girls are wearing red, and the guys or the boys are wearing whites. So I was gonna wear pink with a ribbon in the front, but I was like, I have to blend in with my kids. So this is the dress again from Zara. I bought this one from Bali. So got the dress again, and then of course just a white sandals. So just that. That's the outfit. That one. Okay guys, we will start really soon. I'll see you guys later. Happy ng ulo.
Halika na!
Ito yung buntot.
Hi vlog, it's Christmas Day. And we're still reeling from our loss from the candy cane, from the gingerbread house. They didn't, guys, we had a performance. They did not put that into consideration.
Nag-ano kami gingerbread contest.
Tito, you missed it. You would have voted for me and Ian. He would have voted for us. We had a performance.
Yan na. Pwede ate. Pang bata.
Dami. Yung sardinas sila. Yung sardinas dito. Maglagay pa ka dito. Maglagay.
Sige, come on!
Okay, good afternoon everyone. So, welcome to the Tinala's annual Christmas party. But before we continue with the reason why we're here, we're gonna pray first. So, to lead the prayer, we have Jessica.
Hi. Please stand up. Thank you. First, thank you guys so much for coming today. And now let's put our hands together and bow our heads. Lord, dear Heavenly Father, please bless our Christmas day as we serve one another with the abundance that you have given us. As we gather together, fill our hearts with warmth,
comfort, and laughter. Please let's be sit as we dress our souls. Amen.
All the kids come forward.
Who wants to play? Me! Kids!
Mga isa pa kaya ka.
Competition yan.
Wait lang. Mga little kids muna. Yung mga pwede lang kayo natin. Pwede start reading.
Easy competition.
Hold on.
Mga adults, pwede na kumain.
Mga adults. Kain na. Uy, kaya may tingin niya.
Target locked.
Nakapokus sa goal.
Ano ang chocolate na. Tapos nakukuha niya. Grabe, grabe.
Chocolate. Okay.
Okay, kuha ka ng ano. Kuha ka ng tali. Ayan na. Iya, ano sa ilang taon ka na? Anong gusto mong makuha dyan? Candy? Ay, Kenny. Sigurado ka? Gusto mo yung bawang? Okay, pili ka lang ng isang tali. Okay, yun na. Sigurado ka? Gusto mo yung bawang? Kailangan yan sa adobo. Anong gusto mo makuha dyan? Be specific, Kenny yun eh. Ayan tuloy. Ayan. Ay, yung cheese curls daw. Okay, pili ka. Ayaw nila pera? Ayaw nila ng pera. Get the money. Mamaya, ilang taon ka na? Oo, okay, what do you want there? Hold on, what do you want over there? Okay, in one and on string. What? What? Oh, I can see it! Sige, mag-manifest. Ilang taon na? 5. Mamaya, wait lang. Pwede sa mga mayote? Gusto mo yung mayote? Ay, yung chocolate. Okay, go. Ang gagaling ah! Oli! Gusto mo ba? Nice! Yay! Thank you, tita! You only get this. I'm this. Guys, those
Gulay.
Baka gusto niyo i-give up yung mga gulay na nakuha niyo.
Oh my God, may 500 na! Chichi!
You guys, be specific kasi
Kaya nga, kaya
Ano?
yung manifest
yun talaga yung luwarap ay nahihila nyo. Okay? Pangalan? Ilang taon? 13. So, ano gusto mong makuha dyan?
Ala si Jared, sayang. Pati si Jared, sayang man
Six. Okay. Kaya, pinay. Hila. Hila. Ilang taon?
500 ah.
Bali nga, Tita Christy.
Makukuha niyo ang alam mo ang kailangan ko. Sayo yung cucumber.
Why? Yung ano yun?
Okay, okay. Don't fight, okay. Guys, I'm scared. Okay, go. Cucumber. Okay, the paper. No cheating. You pick only one. You pick one. Okay. Next. Cucumber. Cucumber. Hindi pa yan ang gusto mo makuha dyan. Sayote? Okay. Ah! 300
Sige, pull ka na dyan. May pamilya ka.
Ikaw, kumain ka na?
Pangalan?
Same sample po.
Saan?
Bolina!
Ang taon ka na?
25. Ako 28 po. Ano ginagawa ko? Nagtatrabaho po sa A1 home ngayon.
Anong ginagawa mo sa anong job description mo? Anong ginagawa mo?
May interview.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Hindi ko po alam. Makakadmit. Intern. Administration ako ng gusto ko ito.
Okay, sige.
Tapos, buka niya. Huwag naman sa gulay. Hey, name and where you from?
Maristel from Hatbangan.
What do you do and we support?
Nagkapaganda, charot. Take calls, nag-edit din ako, tsaka nag-video or vlog.
Busy.
Busy siya. Okay. Anong gusto mong makuha dyan? Ang gulay? Para healthy.
Kahit ano, wag lang gulay. Huwag niyong itira sa akin yan.
Pili na.
Sobrang dami.
What? Winner na yan. Huwag mong gulay. Okay, name and where you from?
Some from...
Okay, anong ginagawa ko sa week?
ML.
Eh, pinupost natin yung ano. Yung mga pictures niya. Na nakatulog. May nabubuking.
First blood. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Savage.
Anong gusto mo dyan?
Siyempre, ang yan, Toblerone, basta wag yan.
Okay. Pili. Gulay! May gulay. Name, and where you from? Miss Philippines.
Miss Philippines.
my name is Joel from SFC.
Okay, ano ginagawa ko sa iwan ba may support? Mga night shift na natulog.
Hindi, nag-fax, saka send receive order.
Anong pwedeng luto dyan? May kalamansi, may sayote, may
Salad na lang.
sa akin din pala inuluto. Para din pala sa akin. Anong name?
Crispy, Gamboa, Binay.
Anong ginagawa mo?
I manage Casa of Pinalya.
Ka muna natin, Miss D.
Pili. Ay, ate ka, ano gusto mo dyan?
Siyempre yung cash.
Manfer.
Isa.
Ano lang mali sa'yo?
500.
Di ba wala gulay sa'yo?
Para balance.
Ay! Ay! Baka kasi si Kalinda!
Parang tingnan. Ay, di ko i-afford ka. Pangalan.
Christian, driver, seat number.
Okay.
Wala pa siya.
Anong gusto mo dyan? 500. Okay, bunot.
Ay!
Hoy, ano yan? Gulay!
Gula!
Paborito yata nilang gulay eh. So, pangalan, taga saan?
Polita Orpio from Balawan, La Union.
Okay, anong gusto mo dyan, mama? Toblerone daw, Toblerone.
Pagana! Ay, pambagana!
Toblerone pa rin. Chocolate. Ayun na lang daw. Pili. Ha?
Ay, parang tumatawa ka ka na.
Ikaw na magluto.
Lunch natin bukas yan.
Okay. Pili mo muna, wait lang. Hindi, ikaw na. Nakawak na ako eh.
Ano pong ginagawa mo?
Nagpapa-report.
Janine,
Ano, dyan
Agent Vlog. Carl. Ako po yung tagatanggap ng reklamo.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ha?
Uy! Kanina yan! Ay, kanina yan! May Patrick yun na, nakita ko ah!
Isa.
Patrick!
Okay, next. Ang dami nito ah.
Sa Koryok.
Ayaw ng ikaw.
Sa mga kid.
Na. Pangalan and relationship, either one of us.
Vincent, let's congratulate Vincent kakapasa niya ng board exam ng Chemical Engineering. Magna cum laude. Top 15 po on
Single mo. Okay, pili. Ay, teka, anong gusto mo dyan?
Gulay pera.
500 or 300. Okay, pili. Ibenta mo na lang.
So, in our relationship po,
Travel lang.
okay, ano yung gusto mo dyan? Mamaya, okay.
Hello, hello.
Hindi.
Asa siya?
Okay, bulot.
Saan muna?
Siya muna daw.
Baka masunog yung niluluto niya. Pangalan. Tuloy po. Sa buong chef natin ngayon galing London.
Bulot. Hindi, bulot. Chef talaga siya.
Swerte mo. Ano na yan? Sa kitchen.
Pakiluto na rin. Okay, pangalan and kaano-ano.
Indred Celso po. Sabit na.
Anong gusto mo dyan?
Yung sardinas po parang may bakit yung sayote.
Ay, nakasayo na siya kanina, no? Okay, pili. Hoy. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag minarikat yun. Pangalan, kaano-ano.
Ay, shit, ikaw, pinsan ko ni Kuya Wek.
Anong gusto mo dyan?
500 para sa mga hindi nakapunta pag-aati-atian na.
Okay, bulot.
Parang totoo yun ah.
Nakabisyo yun, ha? Nanag tsaka Hans.
Bro, pag ito hindi, para na kayo sa buhay.
Kapag-ati-atian nyo yan.
Para kay Papa Will,
Hindi ka rin sasama ang totoo.
okay, next. Pangalan, ano-ano. Next, Frankie.
Hey, dami swerte. Kita yan ay hinihingi mo sa akin. Oh, yan yung swerte mo.
Okay, pangalan, kaano-ano.
Iya. Pamangkin.
Okay, pili.
Pili ko, alam ko naman kung iya.
Sayote.
Sayote. Give it to your mom. Maganda to. Maganda na iwan ah.
Okay, doon mo yan. Sa nagtito, kape mo na.
Ito pre. Okay, sayote.
Dito muna daw.
Dito mo na. Tayo.
Teka lang. Sayote. Sayote.
Sino kulay mo?
Oo, gulay. Sayote.
May.
Siya rin nag-trivia.
Ano? Thailand cucumber.
Oh, Thailand cucumber.
Wala kang 20.
20 pesos. Okay, tatlong box daw.
Hermes bag.
Meron yung mga ticket ko yun. Yung mga ticket, may mga ticket ko kayo. Meron? Pag nahawakan yung balon, mali. Pag nahawakan yung any part of the body, mali. So, ganyan.
hatiin. Nasa floor yung damit. Para may challenge.
Huwag kayo dikit-dikit kamo ta.
Huwag dikit-dikit.
Sa likod.
Magbabanggaan kayo.
3, 2, 1.
Ano lang, trial. Trial.
Make sure may kuha lahat yung mga para pwedeng maliwan. Okay, ready?
Hands up.
Hoy, anak ko. In 3, 2, 1.
Tatlo mananalo sa inyo.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
In 3, 2, 1.
What number are you? Okay, pick one number. We're gonna call out. Okay. One more begin.
Okay, Raffle.
Okay, take it on. Paper. Okay, listen.
Okay, say.
Okay, my turn.
Hey, yung
Sample.
walang kamay.
Ah.
Expert yan.
Censored.
Follow lang. Oh, sample.
Kamang sa likod.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, malinis ang kumanga.
Malinis na
Akong magbi-video. Multitasking ako ngayon. Yung videographer ko at editor nandoon. Okay, first one, number 95. 25? Ano? 25? Wala. Wala. Ito may gamo. Gabi. Uy, nakuha ka pera. Gabi, paano video? 94. Ha? 24. Wala. Wala talaga. Tingay mo, wala. O, next. Ha? 69. 69 na.
Sasabihin ko rin naman yun eh. Baka sigurado yun eh.
7. Okay, number 9. 1,000 po. Next week. 52. Wala. Next. Wala. Okay. 28. Meron. Amat. Okay, next. 17. Okay. Wala 17. 49. Okay, next. 35. 35. Okay. 89. Okay, next. 13. Wala. 11. Ano? Wala. Okay, next. 23, oh. 34. Oh, next. 8. 29. Okay. 25. Okay, next. 27. Inanap ko yun. 33. 26.
Wala. Bingo! Bingo!
27.
Ano eh? Bingo! Ay! Ayan! 500 yung isa. Wow! Wala na, madilim na.
Hindi tapos ko ba para ano, dalawa no?
Pero sino may gusto mong ipagpalit?
Nanay ko ay kuya, ito lang sa akin. Palit!
Oo.
Palit.
Gusto mo ipagpalit? Kita ko hindi ka papalit pero bibigyan mo na 1,000. Gusto mo?
Ako na lang. Wow! Isa lang dapat eh.
Hindi na? Ha?
Norm!
Wag na.
Kita may 1,000 ka isa.
Oo, sa amin yan.
Sabi na! Ayaw mo ka magpapalit, 1,000 ha? Hindi, may pam-pam. Okay lang yun, tita, at least masaya ka. May shopping board pa. For 2,000 pesos, 36! Double check.
Nawala! Sayang!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Grand leader, 5,000 pesos!
Lord Pag-iban!
Wala na, mababa yung number yan.
My number 6! Ayun yung number 6 tayo! My number 4!
Ang laki! Ang laki!
Happy birthday! Wow! Ito may sling bag, diba? Wow! Bakit ka sa akin?
Ay, mga ano na miss, bahala kayo dyan. May pasok ka pa. May pasok pa siya sa iyo.
Unbox, unbox.
Pwede ba tayo mag-break? Yes.
May bag ako ah. Wow!
Walang wishlist.
Teka lang, meron ka pa. Wait lang. Wait lang. Meron ka pa. From your boss.
Oh, check mo, baka may bonus na lang.
May bonus yan.
Thank you. Wow!
Wow!
Thank you!
May sting bag ka na. May sting bag ka na. Kasha ba ano dyan? Lagay mo pera pa pa siya. Ganda kay Jamin oh.
Wow! Solid!
Oh, lagyan. Thank you!
Ay!
Next, sino na muna po Jamin?
Nakalimutan niya.
Hindi niya alam.
Nagulat ako ng
Siya pa rin ba? Kasi ba pala nagbalot ba? Wala. Ano yan? Jordan.
Uy!
Sabi ko, afam eh.
Apaan daw.
Ano to?
Galing yata yung bunga ng balot.
Itong Calvin to?
Uy!
May box lang naman. Wow! Ano ba yan?
Lagyan mo ng pera yan.
Lagyan mo ng pera.
May
Oh my God.
installment yan. Ikaw daw magtutuloy ng installment.
Oh, thank you.
Installment yan na ikaw magtutuloy.
Ay, wow naman. Pareho.
Uy, babae, dami mo ng bag ah. Oh, bonus.
Wala ko yun. Thank you po.
Uy!
Wala kang wishlist, wala kang choice.
Okay, charot.
Wow!
Try mo nga, try mo.
Wala ka dyan.
Wala kang bonus.
Wala ka bonus.
Bonus! Bonus!
Naman daw ang si Bilog supervisor mo.
Andun o.
1,000!
Hindi man sa mga nabili.
Saan? Saan? Kasi nagmumotor siya, hindi mababasa.
Oh, sosyalin, waterproof. Ay, sino ba pumili?
Sino ako sa'yo?
Ah, ganda, ganda. Ay, mama na ako.
Ano yan? Cake.
Bata ka, girl.
Uy, ang ganda!
Bakit di kasya na? Wala na to, medium.
Hindi pa rin. Ay!
Ayan na! iPhone.
Ay, bongga! iPhone plastic! Ah, diba naman, ano sa boiler niya yun? 2,000!
Yes!
Ito nakatakasan mo na.
Katapusan mo na pala.
Okay. Oh my God, ayoko na.
Wala yata nakasunod kay Chris naman.
Sorry siya.
Sabi sila mga ko sabi, Bex? Sabi, Bex?
Oo daw. Anirola.
Hindi namin kapalak.
Kamay!
Ang ganda! Parang pa-lettering na. Ganda!
Hindi ba to? Sila lang sa'yo. Paano mo? Paano mo ulit? Paano? Ay, yung ano ko pa.
Ay, favorite girls.
Customize talaga. Ito ba hinintay mo sa Shopee? Ano, may pen. May pen. Thank you. Customized. Okay, nilista ko lahat ng ano dyan. Expenses. Teka lang, baka meron pa. Kayo lang pala mag-exchange.
Sa check na bunot ko eh.
Ako rin ba?
Oh, kayo, dalawa. Yan. Sa kanya sa'yo. Yan, dalawa.
Ano kayo regalo?
Ang hirap kasi hanapan ni Kuya Wek.
Yung wishlist niya?
May gusto lang ah.
Kaya nga, ang hirap.
May joke ng bigas yun.
Baka-break to. Nalay mo.
Madami yan. Madami yan.
Wala rin naman yan. Customize ko. Pati gold.
Wow!
Ganda.
Thank you.
Ano pa? May nasa loob.
May naman pa, may naman. Hoy!
Okay. Merry Christmas, everyone.